Hello students, today we are going to learn second number lesson of English, my early home. From that grammar part we are going to look in that using words. In the last video we had learned about antonyms. Now we are going to learning prefix. A prefix is added before a word to make a new word. So prefix means we are adding before a word and that makes a new words. So that is called a prefix. So just like that, dis we are using before any other word and it is called a prefix, and that makes new words. Just like given here example, look at here, dis plus honest means honest is a root word, it is a main words we can say, and we are adding dis before it, so it is called a dishonest. So dis plus honest is equal to dishonest. So dishonest is a new word. We have used dis before honest. So honest is a root word and this is a attach for that, so it is called a prefix. So next example, un plus kind. So kind is a root word and un is added before that, is called prefix. So un plus kind is equal to unkind. So unkind is a make a new word using with this prefix. Next, re plus use is equal to reuse. So use is a root word and we add re before that, so it is become prefix and it is become new word, reuse. So next, mislead. So miss is attached to the or added to the lead, so it is called mislead. So like that we want to add prefixes before root word and make a new word like that. Here are some common meanings of a few prefixes. So they are given, there are many prefixes, but we are going to learn here only 4, and you want to find out again from the dictionary. So dis means opposite of, means this shows us opposite words, just like we have learned in the antonyms. Un means not. Using with this prefix we are saying any negative thing, negative word. Then re is present for saying again. So use, reuse means again we are using, just like that re is called again. And last one, miss means wrongly or badly. So use, misuse we can say. So wrongly using is called miss, or it is present for wrongly or badly. So just like that we can use these prefixes. So let us learn about its exercise. B. Make a new word by adding a suitable prefix to the word in brackets. Then fill in the blanks with the new words. So now we can look in the bracket. There are root words. So we want to add other letters before that root words and make a prefix for these words and use in the sentence. I have solved for you all, so you have to look and like that type of sentences you want to do. I am afraid I have to. So agrees before we have used this. So disagree with you on that issue. So that sentence looks like that. I am afraid I have to disagree with you on that issue. So agrees before we add this, so it is become a prefix and we have used properly in the sentence. Second number, there is a read. So sentences like that. She read and reread the university offer. So here re we have used before read and may become suitable prefix here. So again we can say she read and again read. We want to say reread. Third number, she used to misplace her keys. Now she hangs them on her neck. So always she is missing her keys wherever she keep. She don't understand. Now she hang them on her neck only. So here place word is there. It is a root word and miss we have attached before place and it is become meaningful new word. So it is called misplace. So we have used properly in the sentence. The next one, fourth number, he is not as unfriendly as he seems. So friendlies before we have attached here un and then friendly is root word. So unfriendly we have make a new suitable word here. So he is not as unfriendly as he seems. Means he is looking but he is not that much unfriendly. Means he is a friendly only. So fifth number, it is unusual for such a young child to sing so perfectly. So here unusual, then the bracket root word is a usual. So we have used here un before that and by adding before root word, unusual is a new word we have make by the prefix. Sixth number, I think this plan will refire. So re we have attached before fire and it is become meaningful word refire. So I think this plan will refire. So like that type of sentences we have made by the using prefixes. So you want to find out same like that type of word which is added by the prefix before root word, added another words and make it new words. So you want to write like that type of 20 prefixes by searching through the dictionary and solve that exercise in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.